So in this short video, I want to take you through some of the stuff that we have set up inside your PT Distinction account. A lot of this will have been covered inside your internship modules. However, I just want to quickly recap this and just go through how you can edit and adapt any of the stuff that we've set up. So first of all, you're in your PTD account. If you want to add a client, just come down to the Add Client button here. Once you've done that, put in your details. We're just going to go for test, client, and put in the client's email. You can then fill in any of these extra details if you want to use them. Just make sure that your client is online so they can access any content you've set up. And you've got a choice here whether you wish to just message your client or if you want your client to have the ability to message you back within the in-app messenger down here. This is entirely up to you which way around you do this. Then you want to come to the group section, hit the drop-down menu and look for the group that says Internship. Select the Now option and click Add, making sure that this box is ticked, and then hit Save. Once you've hit saved, it'll ask if you want to send the login details. You don't need to do this just yet. Just hit cancel and then click OK to take you through to your client's dashboard. You're now in your client's dashboard and you'll see inside here that some things are already set up, like how to take your measurements. The reason there's a number of these set up on here is because we need to make some adjustments based on what you've said for your client and also what calls and stuff you've got booked in with them. This is why we don't send the login details just yet. So to make these adjustments, what you want to do first is go to the coaching area. If you select coaching, you'll see inside here we have your videos and documents that have been set up. Now in the internship, we set up some dates for these to go out automatically, but now this group has been added to the client's account. It's all been set up by dates. Now, of course, these dates might not coincide with the calls and stuff you have booked with your clients, so you need to make some adjustments. The first thing I'll do is decide whether your client is male or female. If you are working with a male client, for example, we could come along here, hit this drop-down menu and hit delete and OK. That will then remove that. So all you get now for this particular client is just the taking measurements documents for males. Your welcome video is already live, ready to client to go, and these things will then drip feed out. Whenever you want to actually make these appear for your client, you've just got to make the changes to the date. So for example, if we know that our first coaching call is going to be maybe on the 20th and not the 23rd of July. All we do here is go to the drop-down menu, select Edit When Live, and change the date to whatever date I want that message or video to go out. So for example, let's go for the 20th of July. I can then click Save. Then what I can do is I can also go to the drop-down menu on the same item and select Schedule In, and I can put this in the client's schedule so it's really clear for them when this is going to happen and when they need to take action on it. So to do this, all I do is just hit the little trash can, select the date again, and then click Add to Schedule. And now it's in there. So now not only will this drip feed out to them, so they're only getting information when they need it, it will also appear inside their schedule on the relevant date that needs to go out for them. And you can make all these adjustments down here. Just bear in mind your client will only see stuff that is live in their account that has the green tick. Everything else that has a little cross and a date next to it will only appear at that particular date. So it gives you plenty of time to adjust stuff. Now, all the videos and stuff in here are corresponding with the emails and stuff that go out to your client, which we're going to look at in just a second. They're all set to go at the end of each week. So the first video call, the end of the first week. So it gives you some time to adjust this for your client, depending on what dates and times you've got them booked in for. If you scroll up to the top and go to the message center, you'll see we have a number of emails that are going out as well, again with the dates down the side. Likewise, you just want to go and adjust this based on your client. So for example, if we're working with a mailing case, all you come here is delete this email by hitting remove, and it will delete that email from the list that goes out. Likewise, if you want to change stuff, for example, when these emails go out, depending on when you're having calls with them, all you again need to do is go to the drop-down menu, click View and Edit, and at the top here, you can change the date at which that email goes out. So it's more suited to your client. Likewise, with any of these emails, if you want to edit them slightly or change them, you can do in here. It's entirely up to you. But everything is pre-set up, all the placeholders are done, and all your sign-offs are added in. So there's no real need for you to change those if you don't wish to. And that's it. That's all you need to know about how to adjust stuff inside your account for your client. Quick reminder, if you want to adjust the coaching videos or coaching documents, go to Coaching. Hit the drop-down menu, hit Edit When Live, and change the date that you want it to go live for the client so they can see it. And then you want to go down to Schedule and change the schedule date so it appears in their diary, in their schedule, just to remind them that they need to do this or to watch this. If you want to change emails, go to Message Center. find the email you want to change, hit the drop-down menu to either remove it or click View and Edit, and then change the date at which it goes out to the client. Anyway, I hope that helps. Of course, any questions, you can put them into the group, and I'll speak to you all soon.